Today I'm going to teach you how to sign your own document with DocuSign ESignature. This is incredibly useful when you need to add your signature to a document you've sent out, ensuring you complete your part of the agreement quickly and efficiently. To get started, open DocuSign.com in your web browser and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your DocuSign dashboard where you can manage all your documents and agreements. In the top toolbar, locate and click on Agreements. This section houses all the documents you've sent, received, or need to take action on. It's essentially your central hub for managing all your DocuSign activity. Next, in the left sidebar, click on Sent. This filters your view to show only the documents you've sent out to others. Alternatively, you can browse through your inbox if you're looking for documents that others have sent to you. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the Sent folder since you're signing your own document. Now select the envelope you want to sign from the list. Right beside it, you'll see a button labeled Sign. Click on it to open the document and begin the signing process. This action tells DocuSign that you're ready to add your signature to this particular document. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm. Click Continue to proceed. This step ensures you're intentionally moving forward with signing the document rather than accidentally clicking through. You'll now see the document with signature fields highlighted. Click on the signature field where you want to sign. DocuSign will automatically guide you to each required field, making the process straightforward and efficient. At this point, you have a couple of options for adding your signature. If you've already created and saved a signature in DocuSign before, you can click Use Save to quickly apply your existing signature. This saves time if you sign documents frequently. Alternatively, if you want to create a new signature or don't have one saved yet, click Adopt New. This opens up signature creation options that let you customize how your signature appears. Next, select your preferred style. You'll see options like Draw or Upload. For example, let's click Draw. This allows you to create a signature by drawing it directly on the screen with your mouse or touchpad, giving it a more personal and handwritten feel. In the Draw Your Signature field, carefully draw your signature. Take your time here to make sure it looks the way you want, as this will represent you on official documents. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, you're ready to apply it. Click Adopt and Sign. This confirms your signature choice and applies it to the document field you selected earlier. Your signature is now officially part of the document. Finally, in the upper right corner, click Finish. This completes the signing process and finalizes the document. DocuSign will process your signature and update the document status accordingly. And there you have it. You've successfully signed your own document using DocuSign ESignature, making the entire process quick and paperless. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.